I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing an all levels technique exercise that involves heel toe crawls and just general dexterity of the ankle. I love dexterity exercises because it works on dexterity, but also usually timing, and I love that. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you're going to do is you have a standing leg and a working leg, but both legs are going to be working. It's just one of them has the weight in it and the other one does not. So you're going to start with your weight in your left foot, and the left foot's going to go heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, and then you step. Heel, step. There's an extra heel. So it goes heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, and then you stamp and put all of your weight in that foot. Now it's happening on the and, which is why I lost count. So you're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? Don't make the movements too big or you'll lose balance like I just did. Keep it nice and grounded. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Then you will go the other side. Now the foot that's up in the air is going to do stuff, but not yet. I just want to work on this for a second because this stays the exact same through all parts of the exercise. So you're here, and it's going to go the exact same way, but you're just using your left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? So it's a lot harder with one foot up in the air. You just got to make sure that you start with your heel first. On both sides. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's a lot easier if I'm not snapping. So the 4 variations are that you are going to tap with your toe for the first variation. For the second, you're going to dig with your heel. Now, if you just want to do those two, that's fine. Do the toes, do the heels, do the toes, and do the heels, and then you're good. Or you can do variations 3 and 4. This is what I mean by it's all levels, because if you're more of a beginner, you might want to stick with just variation 1 and 2. But if you're intermediate advanced, you could probably give the other 2 a try. So the first part is toe, the second part is dig. The third part, you're going to alternate. Toe, dig, toe, dig, toe, dig, toe, dig. The fourth part is the exact opposite. Dig, toe, dig, toe, dig, toe, dig, dig. So how does this all come together? The toes and the digs, that's on 1, 2, 3, 4. Your other foot that's going heel toe, you're going 1 and 2 and. So they're going to alternate on each other. Also, I do apologize for the noise. My neighbors have been doing yard work for the last 3 hours, and I was like, I can't lose any more time filming today, so I'm just going to have to do something in post about the noise. Hopefully I can. We'll see. Seriously, whose neighbor does yard work for 3 hours? This is terrible. All right, so this is going to go toe, heel, toe, transfer your weight and you're ready to do it on the left. This is variation 1 with the toes. Let's try it on the left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, toe, heel, toe. It's a lot harder slow, but that's how we're going to do it today, just so that you guys can get the exercise, and then on your own you can do it at any speed you want. So let's try the second variation with the digs. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, heel, dig, toe, dig, heel, dig, toe, dig, heel, dig, toe, dig, heel, dig. So you're just really just dig. Just dropping it and picking it right back up. Dig. All right, left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, heel, dig, toe, heel, dig, toe, dig, heel, dig, toe, dig, heel, dig. Yes. So you have toes and then digs. And if that's where you want to stop, totally fine. Everything that we do after that, just pick one of those and do it along with me. You do not have to alternate if you don't want to. So, the alternating, the third one, you have toe, heel, dig, toe, toe, heel. Don't think about it like, oh, I have to make like a circle and it's a pattern. This foot stays heel, toe, this foot's gonna go toe, dig, dig. It's really difficult like to remember as you go, but try to get into the pattern and the pattern will continue. So let's give it a shot. What's the worst that happens, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, dig, toe, heel, dig, toe, heel, dig, toe, heel, stick. Left foot. 5, 6, 7, go. Toe, heel, dig, toe, heel, dig, toe, heel, dig, toe, heel. I made it through that. I was like, oh, don't mess this up. All right, one more. Let's try the dig, toe. It's exactly the same thing, but this foot's going dig, toe instead of toe. Okay? Let's give it a shot. 5, 6, 7, go. Heel, toe, toe. Dig, heel, toe, toe. Dig, heel, toe, toe. Dig, heel, stick. Left side. 5, 6, 7, go. Dig, heel, toe, toe. Dig, heel, toe, toe. Dig, heel, toe, toe. Dig, heel, stick. Now you may find one of those is easier than the other. I think that the toe heel is easier, but I think in my head it should be the other one because I'm going heel, heel, toe, toe. And it makes more sense, but we'll see. All right, so we're gonna do these right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Variation 1, 2, 3, and 4 without stopping. We're gonna try it with music so that I can drown out some of this yard work. I swear, I love this house and I love this neighborhood, but the amount of yard work that happens in this neighborhood is ridiculous, okay? Absolutely ridiculous, because there just shouldn't be this much yard work happening at all times, you know? All right, so I've got a moderate tempo. It's a good, solid, slower one for us to work with. There we go. Toe, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, toe. Okay? So no breaks, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 5, 6, 7, toe. Other side. Dig. Other side. Toe dig. Left. Big toe. Whew, not bad. Now, if you made it through that, awesome. You can take that and do it at any tempo that you want, and you can bring it to class, make it faster. It's a lot easier faster. You just get this nice groove going, this. You get a really, really nice groove going. So why don't we try it just a little faster together? I may be regretting this if I can to like get it right on the first try. I may regret this, but we'll see. All right, I sped this up to about 1.5 times the regular tempo. Toe, heel, toe. Got it? We got this. Ready? First variation. 5, but we did it, okay? Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this exercise. Try it much faster if you want to. Try it slower. If you do it slower, you're really working on control and balance in your standing leg. If you're doing it faster, you're working on musicality and speed with your dexterity. So this is a great exercise for all levels. Feel free to take it to your class. If you end up bringing it to your class, take a video of it, post it, tag me. I'd love to see how your students are doing with it. And even if it's just you, post it, tag me. I'd love to see how you're doing with it. You can always ask me for like tips or advice. If you message me on Instagram and we're not already friends, it might take me a little bit to find the message. It takes me a little time, but I will get back to you, I promise. Again, I'm still sorry about the yard work. It's 10:48. They've been going at this since like 7 o'clock this morning, guys. Anyway, so hopefully you guys had a lot of fun with me today. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button, join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials where I teach you just one step, choreography combinations where you get to have some fun, learn a little dance with me, and vlogs, challenges, more. This is your free tap dance lessons online right here on YouTube, all free and all for you guys. Also, if you like my socks, I got these from a really, really awesome sock vendor at MegaCon and I think GalaxyCon. So if you guys follow my other channel, you guys have seen that I love to shout out local and small businesses and just let people know about cool products that aren't just from Amazon. So definitely check out, I'll have all their information down below. They sell the coolest socks. Like, it's amazing. If I'm wearing their socks in a video on Instagram, I typically tag them, so you can check them out on Instagram as well. But like, look how cute these are. I love them. But anyway, thank you guys for joining. Please hit that thumbs up button so more people can find free tap dance lessons. Who doesn't love free tap dance lessons? So hit the thumbs up button so YouTube goes, huh, people like free tap dance. And also, hit the thumbs up if you think I should go yell at my neighbor. 4 hours of yard work, guys. 4. This is insane. No, I'm not really gonna go yell at him, but I may give him a slight talking to. Anyway, look, I know people have lawns. I know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me, and as always,